She's coming. Is everyone ready?
Yes. Of course. Are you actually serious about this?
You bet I am!
I'm really not in the mood for this.
How can you not be excited to witness a historic event like this up close?
There's no scenario in which this goes well. That's all I'm saying.
Well, we'll find out soon enough. Where did everyone go? She'll be here soon, so everyone keep your eyes peeled. 3, 2, 1. It's working! It's really working!
Wait, that thing actually works?
Farewell! Sorry, but I'm not going anywhere!
Oh! Did it work? No way. Hey, wake up!
We caught it! We caught it! We caught it!
Wow, it actually worked.
There's nothing to be afraid of anymore! Miss Tube, the coast is clear! You can come out now! It's time for us to strike back! Huh? Ms. Tube? Ah! Help me! Hi-ya! Ghosts go boom!
Answer my subject's calls.
Let's do this! go, Timmy.
Let's go.
Did you select me? For me, this was a piece of cake.
I shall proceed in that direction. As it's a rare occasion, I shall take the lead.
Where's the next site?
Roger. Joining the mission.
I'll make sure everyone here survives.
So annoying.
Yep. You mean you don't know about this, Mr. Commander? Really? That's okay. Let me give you a quick synopsis. First off, take a look at this photo. It's a luxury cruise ship that was recently seized by a resource retrieval squad. Do you notice anything strange? Really? Isn't it obvious?
The lights are on.
Any abandoned cruise ship that was used by humans would be at least 100 years old by now. How could the lights still be on? There's no way a ship's power would last that long without someone maintaining it. That means that the power source must be coming from somewhere abnormal.
Or there could simply be people on board.
Oh yeah, that too. Anyway, we're gonna head up to the surface and find out what's going on. I already filed a request to the higher-ups and received approval. When I told them you'd be coming along, they authorized the mission straight away. Also, check this out. Look carefully at this photo. Over here.
It's shaped like a human.
That's certainly what it looks like to me. A luxury cruise ship abandoned for decades, yet still lit up. And a shadowy figure at the window? How could we not go and investigate? Well, ever since that last incident, the central government seems more amenable to thinking outside the box. Yep, although, to be honest, Nah, she said she'd rather die than go on this mission. Oh, don't worry. It's already been taken care of. Miss Human said she was willing to finance this entire expedition.
So we wait here for the others and then leave once everyone's gathered?
That's right.
It will probably take some time for Elysion to come up with anything conclusive. It's their first time attempting to manufacture such a thing. It's imperative that they take their time and be extra cautious. I highly doubt they're going to be finished all that quickly. Commander, there is someone I would like to bring along. You're right, but I wasn't referring to them anyway. Besides, they've spent too much time on the surface, and thus are undergoing rigorous inspections. They might have been affected by crystals or dark matter, so it will be a while yet until they're free. I want to bring Dorothy. Watch over me.
Is it enough for fighting?
So, you want to head up to the surface and investigate a suspicious cruise ship? First of all, I don't know why you're coming to me, of all people, with this proposition. Second, why are you two wearing swimsuits? Well, the cruise ship is on the ocean after all. Did you both change in this building? You didn't come all the way here dressed like that, did you? We did. Do you find the tea agreeable? Very much so. I don't know much about tea, but I enjoyed it. I'm glad. Now, if you don't mind, you can leave. Look at this. I'm telling you, I'm not interested. The ship here is a luxury cruise ship. Don't you want to ride it? No, I don't. I thought a luxury cruise would be right up your alley. Seems it wasn't just your hair color that changed, but your brain got affected as well. I was only kidding. Here, take a look. What? I don't see anything. Don't you think the water current here resembles a heart? Are you sure you don't have a screw loose? Just kidding again. Okay, for real now. Look over here. You're starting to irritate me. Please leave. Look at the window. I don't think that's a trick of the light. It might be a NIKKE. Or potentially, even a human. Dorothy, are you shaking because you're scared? Please stop talking. I'm begging you. Let's go together. All you'll do otherwise is stay inside all day watching TV and drinking tea. You should get some fresh air once in a while. You'd be surprised how productive I am. Okay, what is it exactly that you do? It's a secret. Come on, be serious now. About what? You're coming, right? Were you always this stubborn? Oh yeah, I think I was just holding it in until now. Do you remember Red Hood? If you come with me, I'll tell you more about my relationship with Red Hood. And my current incarnation.
Where do I need to go?
Come to the commander's room when you're ready. We'll leave as soon as you arrive.
And if I don't come?
You will. We'll wait for you. I'll leave the tablet here. Be sure to bring it with you.
Wait,
Yes?
are you going to head outside dressed like that? In swimsuits? At least let me give you a towel so you can cover yourselves up a little.
Speaking of swimsuits, don't forget to bring your own.
I'm planning on publishing an ebook. I was gonna title it, How to Survive on the Surface. But it turns out there are already a bunch of books out there with similar titles. I was feeling discouraged, but then I saw the recruitment notice for this mission and it hit me. I can write a book called How to Survive on a Cruise Ship.
I've heard your survival skills are second to none, and that you're adept at crafting tools. I'm sure you'll be a valuable asset to the team. I have a high opinion of NIKKE's from the Unlimited Squad in general.
I'm here because Alec came to me and said there could be a passenger on board who may need medical attention.
Hey! What's that supposed to mean?
Having a member of Seraphim with us is reassuring. We won't have to worry about getting a bit rough and tumble.
Excuse me?
I'm just glad Mary isn't the one who came along. She's a force to be reckoned with. What with her massive, heaving, pendulous, personality. I hate to admit it, but I don't stand a chance against her in that department.
Are you okay, Robbie?
I'm not here for any particularly dramatic reason. Apparently there's a shopping area inside this cruise ship. So I'm considering this a business trip to check out potential new products. This ship may be old, but fashion trends are always cyclical. Also, the whole point of a cruise is for them to have everything you could possibly want on board. It'll be helpful to see which products they push the hardest.
If you come along,
Hey, what's the big idea? How come I don't get any compliments like the others?
the only real benefit to you coming is that you'll potentially find good items for cheap. And I have my doubts as to whether a 100-year-old cruise ship is going to have much to offer. There's only so much a merchant can offer, sadly.
Rookie, do something about her. Make her stop talking.
I don't know, Commander. I think it may be too early for a kiss.
Hey. Cruise, sleep, my dream.
Good. Next. Good night. Next.
If it's an old cruise ship, it's bound to need some repairs here and there. That's where mighty tools come in.
If we've got mighty tools in tow, we'll have nothing to fear. The only problem is... Sunti is kind of an upgraded Tuve. If we bring her, it may render Tuve redundant.
Hey, you don't have to say that out loud. You know I'm sensitive about that. Actually, Tuve is far better than me at improvising. We'll compliment each other nicely. Oh, Senti, you're such a good person. You're too kind. You're the real angel. You save lives. Oh, Senti. Oh, Tuve.
Did you see that, Commander? That was some stellar conflict resolution on my part.
Well, now that everyone's here, let's set out and have a fantastic start!
Actually, we're still waiting for one person.
Who?
She'll be here soon. There she is. Usually when someone says that in movies, people show up. Guess I'll have to go get...
Glad to see I wasn't too late.
Engaging with enemy. Commander, stay behind me.
Isn't that Dorothy, the pilgrim who came to the Ark? Yeah, it's my first time seeing her in person too. What's she doing here? Not sure. She did help the Ark before, so maybe she felt compelled to lend a hand again with this mission? I don't think that's it. If you're so curious, why don't you just ask her? Absolutely not! You can't go around asking things like that! You're not scared, are you? Of course I am! You're telling me you're not? Not in the slightest. During that incident back in the Ark, she fought against the heretics, didn't she? Thanks to her, a lot of people were saved. You're not wrong, but that's exactly why this is so suspicious. No one in this world does a favor without expecting something in return. You're only saying that because you're a merchant. Yeah, you shouldn't be so cynical. There are plenty of people who do good without expecting to be repaid. Sorry, but I'm not convinced. She's definitely up to something. Your friends don't seem to understand the concept of whispering.
You can hear them?
Every word, loud and clear.
All of you, be quiet. Dorothy can hear everything you're saying.
An apology from someone else doesn't mean all that much.
Miss Dorothy,
What?
do you like starfish?
I don't know. I've never seen one before.
Are you sure? There's one stuck on your shoulder.
What the? How do I get it off?
Don't worry, I'll get it. On second thought,
What are you two doing?
It's just an ordinary starfish. It probably got tossed out of the water by a dolphin that was playing. Did you know that starfish are edible?
They are?
In extreme survival situations, they can be a good source of protein.
I don't think our situation qualifies as extreme just yet.
It may not taste great, but if you close your eyes before taking a bite...
Wait, what are you?
Don't be alarmed. I'm just feeding the fish.
Are you seasick? Lie down and relax. You're seasick? Here, take this medicine. It'll do the job. For the low price of 20,000 credits, it's all yours.
too much talking.
Alec, are these parts waterproof?
Yes, of course.
Okay, then we don't need to worry about cleaning everything straight away. Let's turn the boat around.
No way! Not when we've come this far. You see? There's the cruise ship, straight ahead. We'll arrive soon.
Make it quick. I'm asleep.
Is it enough for fighting?
Something seems weird about this place.
Yeah, it's oddly clean.
Almost as if there's someone tending to the ship still.
Tuve, you've still got a bit of vomit on the side of your mouth.
As expected, the lights are still on. That means power is still being supplied to the ship. I did some research beforehand. This ship is called Utopia. It was a renowned vessel, so getting the blueprints was easy enough. I've sent the schematics to all your phones.
You really came prepared.
Of course! The more prepared you are, the better off you'll be. Miss Dorothy, give me your phone number.
I don't need the blueprints.
I thought the deck would be structurally unsound from aging, but it feels remarkably sturdy. I don't think we're in any danger. I'm not sure it was even necessary to swap our bodies out for swim-ready models.
It's almost like there are no hazards at all.
That's precisely the problem. That means there's no point in having a survival expert. Without danger, I'm just a lesser version of Senti.
If you ask me, a lack of danger is the best case scenario. That means I won't be needed, which I think is a good thing.
Thanks for the reassurance, Pepper. We incompetents need to stick together.
Anyway, why don't we all change into our swimsuits?
What?
The ocean, a cruise ship, swimsuits. That's like the Holy Trinity, don't you think?
What kind of bizarre logic is that?
At any rate, let's all get changed and meet back here.
Aren't you getting changed?
No,
Why not?
there's no reason to.
Did you not bring a swimsuit? You did, didn't you? Here, follow me.
Huh? Hey, you shouldn't touch people without their permission. What the? Why are you so strong? Let go of me. I won't say it again. What are you doing?
So white. So soft.
Be quiet, will you?
To not show off assets like this would be a crime.
You're the one committing a crime right now.
If I must resort to evil in order to ensure that the right thing is done, so be it.
Were you dropped on your head at some point? Oh.
Uh-huh. So this is how I get you to be quiet. I ought to let the commander know about this.
A word of this to anyone, and you're dead.
Now, stay still. Oh, yes. This swimsuit you brought suits you perfectly.
Excuse me?
It's so beautiful and elegant. I could never pull off something like this. Well, don't just stand there. Unless you want me to dress you.
Don't come near me. I'll put it on.
This is my first time wearing a swimsuit. It's really light and comfy. Super easy to move around in. It's awfully revealing, don't you think? You think so? When Litter gave it to me, she told me this is what all the young people are wearing nowadays. I don't know where she heard that, but it looks good on you. Thanks.
I made a customized survival swimsuit.
What makes it a survival swimsuit?
It's got a breathing tube here.
If you think that's enough to call it a survival swimsuit, I'd accuse you of fraud.
Of course there's more to it. There are even emergency rations stored inside.
Actually, that might be a hit amongst certain niche groups.
Really? Do you want to sign a contract with me?
I wasn't talking about the swimsuit.
Huh?
Ta-da! Check it out, everybody! Do you like my swimsuit, Mr. Commander?
Wow, what a cute swimsuit, Ellen.
I thought so too. I designed it myself. You want to see something cool? If you press this button on the watch I'm wearing... Boom! 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 The transparent part of my swimsuit doubles as a display. You can even control it by pressing the buttons here. Want to give it a try?
How in the world did you do that?
Sorry, trade secret.
What? Just tell me.
Sorry, no can do.
Alec. The boom letters on your thigh are misspelled.
Oh, sure enough. It's a sticker. You must have stuck it on wrong.
Everyone be quiet and pay attention. Lady Dorothy is making her entrance.
If you call me lady one more time...
Right, sorry. Come on, Princess. Let's go.
Wow.
Whoa! You look gorgeous, Dorothy.
What do you say you and I sign a contract? If I hire you for a cover shoot, swimsuit sales will skyrocket.
I'll pass.
Wowee! It's a real feast for the eyes. Okay then, since it looks like everyone is ready, let's go look into the power source.
I'm gonna poke my head into the retail outlets and get an idea of their inventory and store displays.
I'm going to check if the infirmary's intact. Even if the ship's safe, that doesn't mean we shouldn't ensure we have medical facilities.
I'll go with Pepper. We need to confirm if everything's safe.
I'll check the ship to see if there's any damage anywhere.
Then Miss Dorothy and I will.
Actually, I have my eye on somewhere specific. Sorry, but I'll go on my own.
Why don't I join you?
Thanks, but no thanks. I prefer going solo.
How about Miss Rappy and Mr. Commander?
I'm concerned about the sleeping quarters. I was considering bringing the commander along to check it out. You're the light of my life, Commander, so checking you out is my top priority. Of course, I was planning on it. I was just pulling your leg.
Thank you both. Where's Miss Frima, by the way? I haven't seen her for a while.
She found a spot that she liked and went to sleep.
I see.
One moment, I must reload.
Task completed. It is reassuring to have you by my side.
Is it enough for fighting?
Even down here, all the lights are on.
Looks like power is being supplied to the entire ship. This is so exciting. I wonder where the electricity is coming from. Maybe something like a degeneracy reactor?
Sounds a bit outlandish to me.
That's rich. Coming from the person whose weapon fires drill projectiles.
Fair point. Anyway, what are the chances that there are humans or NIKKEs on board?
Pretty unlikely, I'd say. No one's shown up yet, despite all the noise we made boarding the ship.
Then what about that shadow we saw in the photos?
Could have been a trick of the light. Or a ghost. You okay, Ms. Rappy? Why'd you freeze up?
It's nothing. I just got startled.
Huh. Mr. Commander, is Ms. Rappy afraid of ghosts? In other words, yes. There's no such thing as ghosts, Ms. Rappy. It's just your mind playing tricks on you. Don't worry, ghosts don't exist. I promise you.
Farewell!
Now then, why don't we head into the engine room?
Hold on. Didn't you hear that?
Hear what? Nope, I didn't hear anything. You don't think it's ghosts, do you?
Stop kidding around. Both of you, stop teasing me.
No way, it's definitely ghosts.
The leg?
Okay, I'll stop. Let's go! Full speed! Boom style! Huh? The power is off. I mean literally what I said. All the generators and engines supplying electricity to the ship are turned off. It doesn't make any sense. How is power in this engine room, and the entire ship for that matter, still on? The lights, sewage system, the thermostat, they're all working fine. There's no way. The ship has a central control system. If you look at the switches here, they are all marked off. Hold on, let me check something. How peculiar. There's a current flowing, but where is it coming from? It's almost as if a ghost is behind this!
Commander, I have a suggestion. I say we destroy the ship. If we blow it up, it'll take all the ghosts and paranormal power sources along with it. We've got to be sure. If we take out the ship, everything will return to normal and... You're right. I'm sorry. I lost my composure for a moment.
Alright, I'm sorry. I say we flip this off switch to on. That way we can see if it's just a display error or if the power source itself is really inactive. Of course it is. All I'm doing is flipping a switch, for goodness sake. A power outage? I didn't bring any flashlights.
Let's get out of this engine room, first of all.
Yes, good idea. Sure thing, Mr. Commander. I guess your vision isn't so hot.
Take my hand, Commander.
How exciting! This is my first time holding hands with both of you. What do you mean? I'm standing in between you and Miss Rappy, holding both your hands. The lights are back on.
Engaging with enemy. Commander, stay behind me.
It is reassuring to have you by my side, hiding your burden husband.
Now we can finally get back to spending time together. Just the two of us.
Can't.
You can't sleep?
No. Can't. Huh? Creepy.
For a fancy cruise ship, there's nothing too special here. At any rate, that's enough browsing. Time to set up a stall. Let's see. Sunscreen, breathing tube, towels. Oh, welcome. I'm not even open yet, but it's always nice to see such eager customers. What do you need? I've got most everything ready. Maybe it's acting up since it's so old. Okay, this is getting a little freaky. What the?
Tuve? What are we doing at the pool?
To test out the effectiveness of this breathing tube. Not. Pools are accident-prone places, so I thought I'd check if this place posed any danger to us.
You sure you didn't just want to check out the pool for fun?
Of course not! As a survival specialist, I'm merely making sure to eliminate any potential risk factors.
If you say so. Let's check it quickly and then head over to the infirmary. Huh?
What is it? Look! Something's wrong with the swimming pool! Otherwise, why would the water be swirling around?
Wait a moment. Something does seem strange.
If I drill a hole here and hang the mirror... There! All done. This place is in better shape than I thought. So there's not much to fix. Who's there? Stop kidding around, you guys!
Let's get out of here quickly.
What's the rush? The lights are flicking on and off, that's all.
You and I were holding hands with someone or something, and it wasn't the commander. Unless he's got more than two hands. You see? That means we must have been holding hands with...
Alright, if you insist, I'll come back to the engine room later by myself to investigate. Let's regroup with the others and share our findings. Huh?
Alec, no more kidding around.
I'm not messing with you. The door's locked. This door is sealed tight. We'd have to use an explosive charge to get it open. And that could damage important equipment in here. Hey, is that Miss Dorothy?
That explains it. Commander, Dorothy locked us in here, and it was her who turned off the lights. I'm certain of it. Sure, I'll admit I was a bit indecent when she was changing into her swimsuit, but this is so uncalled for. Then who turned off the lights and locked the door? Are you implying that there's some unscientific explanation? That some supernatural entity did this? Like, a ghost? You're so silly, Commander. There is no such thing. At least, there shouldn't be. I hope there's not. Far from it. I'm the calmest, most rational one amongst us right now. You're the one who's lost all sense of reason.
Farewell!
You've gotta be kidding me.
Farewell!
7 dwarfs 0, fully active, pierce through!
A ghost.
A ghost! Ghost! It's a ghost! Ghost! Ghost!
I shall proceed in that direction. I shall proceed in that direction.
Genius.
Keep it up! Like taking candy from a baby.
Huh?
Genius.
Things just got even more electrifying.
The will to survive. Can you feel it?
It's working! It's really working!
Like taking candy from a baby.
Yes, Commander.
The will to survive. Can you feel it?
Let's cut loose and have some fun.
Yes, what is there to be concerned about when I am around?
We made it. I'm on my way.
Genius.
Huh?
I'm on my way.
Prep done. Huh?
I'll lead you to a safe route.
Huh?
I'm getting exhausted.
I shall proceed in that direction.